ngoba naye ufuna si-clarify akenitshele malini ke uthule kancane uthi nje isakhodo
There's nothing is because you when I'm also dead party. That party is let us go aside. Leave my sister alone. That party is let us go aside. That party is let us go aside. You cannot for now. You come as a dead party because you don't. You're supposed not to intervene in the valley. I'm too sorry. I'm a dead party like you. When how you breaking this?
Movie lapha nalapha ziyahlanganiswa bese zireportwa zonke bese ke njengoba kunombango so silinde ikhodi ukuthi isho ikhodi ukuthi ngubani othola ini ngubani ongatholini ngoba kunombango nje ene iwill I understand ukuthi bengekho ngisho into esilethe lapha ukuthi bengana will and nangana will kunento enye esibiza ngeintestate succession okusho ukuthi nangenzeka nje ngibhubhe ngingakezi iwill bathatha umngami bamsharele imali yakhe imadlana esalako bayinikela abantwana bese iyaphelela ke
yakhonakala baba izinto zokuprocess angithi ngisiclaim ngezakamuva yakhonakala ukuthi ngiyokchange enye into ngiyibize ngami kungakapheli icala yakhonakala ngifuna ukubuza kwenzakeleke ekhaya la akusese kwamasombuka umufi kwamasombuka kubuza umkwena la ngibuye ethembisile nginencwadi yakho
that's why nise khotho
ifike nje yalast yenzeke ngo-October nje semethala ezikhambi
mara into leyo ifuna ukuthi ni raise
alright
ngoba nje nizophikisana nibethane nidosane ngenhluthu nezini mara uthi ayisolveki nangabe wena ubona ukuthi kukhona ubukelemu obukhona utshela ilo yakho ilo ya nayo akiwa lapha iyasho mara kose ube nofakazi ngisho ilo iyasho ukuthi hayi mana kunobugirikitshana obenzekileko wena judge kwenzeke 1 kwenzeka 2 kwenzeka 3 ijudge lithi lethu ufakazi abulethe bese ujudge ke uthi okay le ayengapha le ayengapha simple yabo so siba ukuthi nenze njalo and bantu be media nani ubhutile uwaleje ukuthi nimharasile as a believe man uma umuntu athi angivuli ningathreaten umuntu basho nizomdosa ngenhluthu allegedly basho nithi nizomdosa ngenhluthu into leyo i-wrong nangabe niyenzile ningizwile ngithe nangabe niyenzile siyathokoza phelele
njengamarembe imidate yokhoda ngisho ngizolimi date yokhoda ngisho
mama lungile ke nawe
ungahamba ukuvula i-protection order mhlamba case angisho ngicabanga ukuthi siyamharaza
angisho sizwa ngene into le
angiyamuzwa ukuthi ubuze question yokuthi nangabe iyaqhubeka yenzeka so unfortunately
nangabe iyaqhubeka butiza
qala musithina siza kayi1 siyakhamba asiza sizi thina somartho
nangabe
siza
iyaqhubeka nawe unelungelo confirm against one
sivumelekile ukuthi sazi ukuthi icase liphethwe ngubani sivumelekile sivumelekile ukwazi ukuthi thina kwamasombuka icase le iphethwe ngibani sivumelekile
kuchiyana ngisho basho
chiyana kuphi
igqwetha muslabu igqwetha liba
kani phuyiza abayazi njani igqwetha labo ukuthi bobani baba bomasombuka ngithi batsho bomasombuka abantu bakamasombuka bayalazi igqwetha labo and nabantu bakamasombuka bayalazi igqwetha labo manje bona kuza njani ukuthi bangalazi igqwetha labo babo bomasombuka abakhambe bokuza igqwetha labo ukuthi igqwetha lami ngubani kambana ngithi namagqwetha
Sekeleni kwakho wayiphelile sazokwele emuva futhi
awuzazi njani into zamasombuka
azokuphela kuhle ayikapheli
It's fine. Thina sesile nge-issue yokuthi besithi sokuhlangana ebukhosini indaba yekwarha so still sisese ngaphakathi kwenkinga eyi-1 thina sikazokusolo sibhizi buyabuya ngento 1 umama lo babetha ngento zethu ubanga into zakamufi nabantwana mara ilikhaya soloko lisajamile so unabafowabo bathi akababophise ubabophise ekutheni hayi angeke iziyenzeke cala musije into ezokwenzeka sokwenza isiqiniseko sokuthi sikhamane angeke sigive up kamara bafonele call them do whatever ufuna ukuyenza njengoba umfowabo wathile ukuthi bathi uzosithusela uzobiza abobani bani akakwenze lokho you can check nani igqwetha sibophiseni bafana hayi